In this video, I'll show you a cleaner way to use the Chroma Warp tool to change a specific color. Please note that Chroma Warp is only available in the Studio version of DaVinci Resolve. Let's jump in. Go to the color page and select your clip. In the node editor, open the Chroma Warp palette from the color tools. Hover over the color you want to change in the viewer and click it. A point will appear on the Chroma Warp graph. If you drag that point to a new color, you'll notice the adjustment affects too much of the image. Even lowering the chroma range can still push colors you want to keep intact. To fix this, switch the Chroma Warp mode to point to point. Then add a control point right in the center of the graph. This center point protects your neutral and white values. Now move the original color point toward your target color. The change stays much more contained, and the rest of the image remains stable. If needed, add extra points around it to fine-tune the transition. This simple setup gives you far more control and makes Chroma Warp much safer and more precise to use.